In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Pandadoc account. To begin, sign into your Pandadoc account and make sure you are on the main dashboard. The cancellation option is located inside your account settings, so you will need access to the workspace that is currently subscribed. If you are part of multiple workspaces, double-check that you are in the correct one before you proceed, because billing changes apply to the active workspace you are viewing. Once you are in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see your profile avatar there. Click on your profile avatar to open the account menu, and then select Settings. This will take you into the area where Pandadoc keeps account preferences, user options, and administrative controls. Next, focus on the left-hand sidebar inside Settings. Find and click Billing. This is where you can review your current subscription information, including your plan details and billing management options. Take a moment to confirm you are looking at the correct subscription, especially if your organization has more than one plan or billing contact. On the billing page, locate the Change Plan button and click it. Even though you are canceling, Pandadoc places the cancellation option within the plan change flow, so this is the correct path. After you click Change Plan, scroll toward the bottom of the page. Near the bottom, you will see the option that says Cancel Subscription. Click Cancel Subscription to begin the cancellation process. At this stage, read any on-screen notes carefully, so you understand what happens to access, documents, and billing timing after cancellation, since these details can vary by plan and renewal date. Now select a reason for canceling when prompted. Choose the option that best matches your situation. This feedback is typically used to improve the service, and it also helps ensure the cancellation request is processed correctly. Finally, click Confirm Cancellation to complete the process. After confirming, look for a confirmation message on screen and, if available, any email confirmation in your inbox to verify that the subscription cancellation has been recorded. And that is all there is to it.